Welcome guys to another quick video. In this video, we will guide you how you can install Linux Mainline Kernel Installer on your Ubuntu 24.04 Noble Numbat. Let's begin the installation. Open Terminal app on your Ubuntu. Update Linux package index. It's a must step. Now, add the Mainline Kernel Installer PPA repository on your Ubuntu Noble Numbat using this command. Update your Linux package index once again. You can now install Linux Mainline Kernel Installer using apt as shown. Once you are done installing, you can exit terminal and may start the Mainline Kernel Installer utility on your Ubuntu machine. From the list of kernels available, you can choose the latest kernel, which is 6.10. Install it as shown. You can remove the old kernels as well with this tool. That's purely your own choice. Once done installing, you must reboot your Ubuntu to start using the newly installed kernel. With this way, you can install any kernel of your choice. If you have anything to ask, you can ask in the comments section. Thanks for watching.